high frequency driver. It's a Beyma model CP22. First you have to locate this screw, turn it off, turn counterclockwise, get the screw off, and the washer. The washer is still there. Get this out, okay. And that's the washer for the screw. Make sure everything is free of metal dust or metal particles. I located some metal particles, maybe you can see this here. Then locate these screws here. You can pull this up. Here's the voice coil playing in the magnetic gap. You have to be sure this one with a red dot must be connected to the positive, also marked with a smaller red dot. You can put this off and the magnetic power is not able to hold it, and then so this is the reason why I make this video. One important thing is this is a magnetic gap, and inside this gap you should clean everything. For example, with a piece of plastic or some duct tape. Take another look inside the gap if there's still some particles inside there. Be sure to get this dirt far away from the magnet. The magnet will pull it back in the gap. Don't forget the washer. I really like this speaker. This is a nice high frequency driver. The manufacturer recommends it for a frequency usage of above 5 kHz.